You will find the ingredients already measured and laid out at your station.
Huh. Only 6 ingredients? This is too easy for a great chef like me.
This recipe may look simple, but don't be fooled. Listen to me if you want your Turkish delight to turn out right.
And if anyone needs help, just ask.
Don't worry about me, Luna. I've got this under control.
First, take your big ball of sugar and mix it with 1.5 cups of water. You should have some water left over.
Add water and cornstarch. Why not? There, always one step ahead.
Interesting technique you've got there, Leo. Need some help?
Nope, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Don't worry, Luna. I've got this recipe all figured out.
If you say so. Oh, I can't wait to try some delicious Turkish delight. I just hope everyone is happy with the way theirs turns out. Turkish delight. Love at first bite. Tasty and sweet. If you make it right. Listening is key. I guarantee. Step by step. Follow the recipe. Learning something new is so worthwhile. Cooking dessert just right can make you smile. Like your first bite of Turkish delight.
Yuck!
The outside looks fine, but what about the inside?
What about the inside?
Oh, it's only the most beautiful part of Hagia Sophia.
How would you know if you never left Mini Turkey?
I don't need to. I've got my own little Hagia Sophia right here. Wow, it's so amazing in here. The mosaics, the calligraphy, and the best part, the dome. So beautiful.
Hey, no fair! I can't fit in here.
That's too bad. I guess you're just too big to see it all.
Wait, first I was too small. Now I'm too big. I can't win. I'll never capture all the beauty of the Hagia Sophia. I want to see it all at once, inside and outside.
Andy, remember how I said it can help to look at things in a different way? Well, sometimes you need to see something many ways to understand it.
Do you mean we have to go back to the real Hagia Sophia so I can see the inside?
Yes, but it's not just where you see it, it's how you see it. Let me put it this way. An artist needs to look and see, to draw or paint reality. Where you stand, your point of view, changes what you thought you knew. Sometimes you can get up close when tiny details mean the most. But sometimes details just confuse. So back away for longer views. Over there you seem so small. Over here you feel 10 feet tall. What you see, near or far, it all depends on where you are.
You're right, Luna. There's no one right way to look at something. If I want to capture the full beauty of the Hagia Sophia, I need to see it in all different ways. Big, small, inside and out. Let's go back to the real Hagia Sophia for a different look.